How to add a picture in the Instagram Edits app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Edits app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now that you're in the project space, after you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. You will be in this space called Projects. From here, you can create a new post or videos that you want. So, in order to add a picture, here in this project page, at the bottom right, you can see the plus icon. Tap on it. It will allow you to access the gallery of your phone. It will show up all the photos and videos that you have in your phone. So you can select the picture that you want to add. Simply tap on the picture. You can select multiple pictures too. And once you're done, you can tap on this check mark. And the picture will be added to the editing dashboard. From here, you can edit this picture. You can add audios into it. You can add text. Add further overlays. You can add some sounds. You can make any changes and edit as you like. You can add further stickers too from here. And if you want to add further pictures, you can tap on this plus icon. You can choose to select from the camera or the gallery. From the camera option, you can take the instant photo, or you can select the gallery and select another photo to add into it. That's how you can easily add picture in Instagram Edits app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.